So here is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Here's what I'm having for my lunch today, my darlings. I made this huge salad. I did some romaine. And I also got this creamy dill. I've shared this once before with you guys. And I got this at Costco. It came with 2 bags. But the last time I didn't get it at Costco, I don't believe. I think it was No Frills, but I can't remember. So I put that in. I used the dill dressing. And I cooked up some shrimp that I got at Costco and put up some feta cheese on there. And this is my salad. It's huge, but I'm just craving salad, so I wanted to make a big one. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. Hope you're having a good one. Manje, manje. So here is what I'm having for dinner tonight and what I've made. We have chicken drumsticks in the air fryer, some pickled green yellow beans from our garden. I made homemade mashed potatoes, and here's mine right here. Good. Let me know down below what you're having for your dinner or lunch or breakfast. I'd love to hear. Such an easy meal and so yummy. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Did a pork chop from the Costco in the air fryer. I made homemade mashed potatoes like I always do. The little cherry tomatoes are from our garden still. And I boiled up some broccoli, and the red pepper you see is red pepper from our garden that hubby grew. And I put a little cheese sauce on there. And this is hubby's over here. And we're having a little bit of fancy night tonight because we're celebrating our 18th year of anniversary of meeting. We've been together 18 years. Well, married 15 and together for 18. So, September 15th. So I made this little dinner for us. Hope you're all having a great dinner or lunch or breakfast, whatever time it is where you're at, and hope you're all doing well. Thanks for joining us. Good. And for our desserts, my darlings, we are having some blueberries with lots of whipped cream. Yeah, good. So we're here at Eastside Mario's, and they just brought us out a loaf that they always bring out. Looks mighty good. And it's nice and hot too. And we came because they had some cotton candy drinks that I wanted to try, but apparently we're too early. So we just have some water right now, but they do have a cotton candy drink on the menu right now, so I'll show that when it comes. And here's my cotton candy drinks. It's $3.99. Forget what it's called. I'll have to look it up.
Spritzer, I think?
Cotton candy spritzer. And then ordered Caesar salad. They have good salads here.
They do.
All you can eat too. Well, I didn't get that, but you can.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We got garlic parmesan wings here at Eastside Mario's. They're really good. And hubby got the same. Here's what I'm having for my lunch again, my darlings. This is a beautiful, well, I think it's beautiful, Wish you guys could all try some salad again. And I don't know if you can see that little tomato. It was a darling little tomato that my husband got from our garden that he grew. And I did a salmon this time, not shrimp, salmon in the air fryer. I put that on there, and there's feta cheese and some of that mixture from Costco, and some lettuce that was from Costco as well. So, good. Oh, and I've got the dressing. The dressing I got from Costco too. Here, I'll show you. This, I've never had this before, but this is what I got on there. Anyways. So I'm going to go have this now. Hope you're all doing great. Good. Here's my Pillsbury guy. And we're doing some cinnamon rolls with icing. And I got them on my baking sheet here. I realize they're not good for you, but I don't know. I've just been craving some. I've got my oven preheating. And then we're going to put them in. And it does come with, obviously, the icing there. So, good. So, here are my failed cinnamon rolls. Buns, I call them. Apparently, I put them in too long. I didn't read the whole instructions. I put them in for like 14 minutes. I think it was supposed to be 13 to 18 or something like that. I don't know. I put them in for 14. Originally, they're supposed to be only in for 8 or 10. So, they're kind of burnt on the bottom. But anyways, here they are. Darlings, this little squirrel is eating, my husband's green beans. Rob ordered Scotch eggs. Look at these things.
I haven't had them since I was a kid. My mother used to make them.
Interesting.
It's wonderful.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
And then I have jalapeno poppers. Some wedgie fry, waffle fry, wedgie fry, waffle fries, and fried cheese curd. Well, my darlings, I just wanted to do a quick update on the Red Lobster saga. It says, "Dear valued guests, today is a great day for Red Lobster. We're happy to announce that Red Lobster has successfully exited its Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Red Lobster is now stronger, more resilient, and ready for a bright new chapter, supported by our local guests, dedicated team members, and new USA-based ownership who are committed to investing in Red Lobster's future. We've been inspired by the countless stories you've shared with us over the past few months of how Red Lobster has been a part of our lives, from celebrating milestones, birthdays, and anniversaries to being the place for the first date that turned into long partnerships. We're excited to create new, cherished moments with you as we turn the page to start writing Red Lobster's next chapter. The next chapter begins now. You'll start to see the positive impact of investments in Red Lobster across each of our 545 restaurants in the USA and Canada. We're more excited than ever to serve you the highest quality seafood that has made us a beloved family tradition for over 56 years, and to hear how our improvements are making your cherished moments even more special. Red Lobster. That's so awesome for Red Lobster. I'm so excited. Well done. So I just wanted to share that update with you guys.